Hey everybody, I can't believe it's December already and it's like 80 degrees outside. However, we are going to be talking about how to come into the holiday season and stay healthy. For 21 days, we're going to give you tips every day. Right now, we want to talk about how to go into the season healthy, keep yourself healthy, stay away from as much sugary food as you can, and make sure that you're drinking a lot of water. That's the simplest thing. But definitely what you want to do is make sure that you're getting the vitamin D and zinc every day, because that's going to help boost your immune system. And as we go to the holidays, stress gets higher, we're around more people, and we want to make sure our immune system is really strong. So I would say 30,000 milligrams or IUs of vitamin D every day. If you have zinc, you can take about 500 milligrams of zinc a day, and of course vitamin C up to 2 grams a day of that. And that's going to be a really good start, and every day we will be adding new tips so that you can have a healthy, happy holiday. We'll see you soon. Thanks.